Hello everyone. Welcome to another tutorial. So this is also a very highly demand tutorial of generating certificates and ID cards. So a lot of uh, you know video watchers, or you can say potential customers or customers, ask us like, how can we generate certificates and ID cards in Tabschool ERP system? Actually, you can do that, and with an ease. They were finding it a little difficult before, but we have made it very simple for you, and that is simply just go into that section, which is the certificate, which you can see. So I'll take you through entire walkthrough of how you can create certificate and ID cards in very easy manner. So on the left navigation, there is something called a certificate, and if you click on certificate, there is certificate template, certificate, generate certificate for the student, and generate certificate for your employee. So let's click on generate certificate template. So Tabschool ERP system comes with a template, one template, which you can, it's a very standard template which you can use on a or of a certification of participation is the template's name. And if you click on this, like if you want to view this certificate, this is something like this. I mean, it fits it, but when you print it out, it's like on the full A4 size sheet. So anyways, this is the template. So I'll show you how it works. You can edit this as well. So clicking on this, that is the edit button that I clicked on, and you would see like certification of participation is one thing, the name. It is applicable to a student, and its layout is A4. Okay. So its layout is A4 size, right, which is the landscape mode. And on the QR code, you can have a name, a photo style with square or round, with the size. And I mean, we have created this layout keeping in mind everything. Here is the signature. You can upload the logo of the school, the background, everything. The background image is pretty much there, and we have said, okay, this is the logo of the school, this is to certify that the name of the student has successfully participated in the drawing competition. You can change this like any other, like robotics competition held in the institute name, that is the name of your school, on 11 September. You can change the date. We recommend name for their active participation, dedication, enthusiasm during the event activity. Your commitment to an excellence and a teamwork has truly shown thorough. Signature, right? So this is the template that we have generated. We have added it, and you don't need anything else to do but just to change, only to change the what you call the names of the competition, the participation, and things like that. So this is really helpful. That is there. If you click on generate student, right, on the left menu, I just did that. What are we doing now is just generating a certificate for the students. So let's see how we do that. So for example, I'm going to generate it for all sections of class 1, and I'm going to generate a certification of participation. I've selected class 1, all sections, and I want to generate it for all students. And I click select it, and I click generate. So when I click on that, you will see that this is happening. This is being generated on an A4 size. You can obviously see, you can see the name is being changed, right? And again, the name is coming here, the signature is here. So you can have that as well, and you can always do more spacing, add more content to it. So all 10 certificates are generated. So you can take a printout if you have, or you can save it as a PDF and give it to your printer, who will take the printout. So this is how it is goes on, and this is how easy it is to work with the certifications. So this is how we do it. So same goes with generate employee. So let's create one template. So let's create one HR template, one simple HR template, like What is one simple HR template that every school wants is a experience certificate, right? An HR would like to have an experience certificate. So that's how we're going to do it. Like, I'm just going to delete the first one, and I'm going to create a new template. So add a certificate. So I'm going to give it experience certificate, and the applicable use is going to employee, and that is A4 size portrait. Let's have a QR code of staff ID. I don't want a photo, but I'm still doing it square. And then we have is the layout spacing. Okay, so let's keep this. Top space would, I would say, 100, because we generally have a letterhead of 100 space. Bottom would be again 100 because there is a footer also, and I'll give 50 on this side and 50 on this side. You can upload the signature and everything, we can do it later, but for now I have generated like date, to whom it may concern, and that all sort of thing, and I'm just going to paste it. So there you go. Date. So let's do this. So if you can see, there is a lot of configurations that needs to be done, and I'll show you how you can do these configurations. I'm just taking this off. Now, date of the issue of the date. So we do have that. Sorry, there's some construction work going on at the background. Sorry for the noise. So issue date, instead of issue date, I'm going to have a print date, and to whom it may concern, I'm going to make it center, and I'm going to make it a little bigger and a little bolder. Experience certificate, let's make it again this as well as center. Then this is the name, so let's say name. ID, we can have our school name or institute name. We need a designation, so there is going to be a designation, I think. Yes. From start date, that is the date of joining, to end date. Okay, so we can have today's date, let's say end date. Yeah, it says he, she, or they. Okay, so let's make it he for now. So you can change this as and when required. Then you can also have the name again, have positive qualities. You can change this. Right. Can give the reason here, and we wish him success in the future endeavors, right? And the issued date upon the employee's request, then again it should be a print date from institution name, right? And obviously if you have uploaded the signatures, that would be really easy for you not to get signature every time. So what we do is we add signatures here, and can even add like total experience and email and all other things that you want. And I think that's it. So I'll just save this, and there you go. You have the experience certificate ready. If you want to view how does it look like, it will look like something like this. So yes, this will change and the staff get to see it. Similarly, if you want to generate it for an employee, you can go generate employee, like teacher, experience certificate. There can be multiple templates, HR documents. So I'll just say okay, or I can go for Rohini, just and generate. So you can pretty much understand names, Rohini, their ID number, school names, the teacher from this to this, and that sort of thing is all ready for you to take the printout. So that's how easy it is to work with generating certificates or HR documents and things like that. Next is the card management. Now, cards are generated on the various occasions during the school. There is one is ID card, one is the exam admit card. So similarly, like you generate a template for a certificate, similarly you have a template for an ID card. So we have created that as well for you. So when you have purchased or started off with the Tabschool ERP systems, we give you these two beautiful templates, which is the standard ID card template and standard for students and standard employee ID card template. So if you click on view, it looks something like this, and if you click on this, it looks something like this. So we have created these two for you to easily sim in for you. It works in a same way the what you call the certificate module works. So this is how we have created it. And if you want to generate and see like how the student ID card would look like, I'm going to go to 8 and click on all sections, standard template, and click and I'm going to generate. So see, you have the logo here, you have the New Age International name. Just zoom it if you can't see it. Let's zoom this. See, you have the name, New Age International. You have the name of the student, roll number, class, section A, and things like that. But you can also add address and whatever you want. Similarly, it is for the employee, and same goes with the admit card template as well. So employee card, let's do it for the teacher, employee, filter. Let's do it for Rohini because Rohini has a photo. There you go. See, Rohini's photo. For those who think, oh, these are the standard templates. These are, templates we can't change. We want to customize it. How we can do it? It's very simple. All you have to do is click on ID card template and click on edit, and all you have to do is add a background, change the background. So that's it. That's what you have to do basically, nothing else, right? And the logo image you have to add. That's it. Rest is pretty much done for you. Same goes with the admit card. Like admit cards can be for the visitors, admit cards can be for the, let's say, examination halls. You can add an admit card and then you can take a printout and give it to students. So again, these two modules have been now covered in this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you face any problem, please do not hesitate to contact our customer care executives. They will be able to help you out. They will assist you, and they will handhold you. If you are a bit of a person who doesn't want to call, you can say hi on WhatsApp, and our number is mentioned on our website, and we will reply back to you. Thank you.